Hello, just wanted to make a quick video on how to repair the clutch sleeve. One of the studs broke when I tried to remove the clutch sleeve itself from the engine by actually installing this bracket, this angle, when I was trying to unscrew this nut over here. What we did, we put the two screws like that were holding the clutch in place back in here. This one is held in place pretty tight, which is good, and this one we just need to make sure that it's aligned with the way it was broken off. Then we just flip it over, secure it in the vise or any other device that you are working with, and we're making a thread. We're gonna make a thread in all four of them to counterbalance them, and when we finish, we put a screw inside of it. Where's the screw? Okay, I found the screw. Here it is. It is countersink, and it will go right in there like so. This one just happened to be a little bit longer than we need, and I'm gonna cut it in the right length. I will make the thread in each one of them, and that's gonna be perfect. So I'm almost done with this project, and to make sure that those bolts will not fall out, I'm going to use the thread lock. Actually, this is the last one. This is what it should look like. All four of them balanced. If you have 5, you need 5. I don't know if on the other bikes there's 6 or more than 5. You're gonna need accordingly a bolt per stud to make sure that the rotation of the clutch sleeve is not gonna ruin your motorcycle. And now, as you can see, everything is in place, everything is good. Clutch is now functional again. Thank you all, and good luck.